What's on YouTube? We are back. We're in Benidorm. As you can see, it is raining. So we're currently under a red weather warning for floods and rain, heavy downpours. Yeah. So we're actually due to fly in 2 days' time. Today's Friday, due to fly on Sunday. There's reports of some flights being cancelled, some flights not. I don't know, but anyway, we're not going to worry about that too much. Today we're going to go for a nice walk down along the old town. So we're going to just keep going beyond the old town, go for a walk. You know, the pronunciation is going to be but the Poniente side, I don't know. So we're just going to have a little wander down here in the rain. There's nothing really outdoorsy, is there, but apart from drinking, and there's only so much that you can do before you're irresponsible with kids. So we're going to have a look. Come with us. Alright, just going to see something that, you know, a lot of us haven't really gone and explored before. So don't forget, if you like the content, drop a like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Let's go. Sandra's got a massive ice cream. So giving him 3 scoops instead of 2.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. Jade, are you enjoying that ice cream? Wow, good girl. Showing the camera. So we walked through the old town and right in the sort of middle of towards the end of the street, like, hard to explain, but it's right in the middle. There was like a little shop selling proper homemade ice cream, and it's like 180 for 1 scoop, 250 for 2 scoops, and 350 for 3. That's a bargain, really. Can you imagine back in the UK, 2 scoops of homemade ice cream? What's your fortune? So we're hoping to go and try one of the other tapas bars down here in the old town. I am sorry, this lighting's going to be awful, but 1, there is no lighting today, and 2, I've got the umbrella, which is just adding more shade. But yeah, so we're going to go and try, hopefully, some more tapas. So we'll show you another tapas bar. We're thinking about going to one next to Zodiac, in that little tapas corner that we went to previously. So we're going to have a look in there and try somewhere else and see how they compare, maybe. Yeah, I bet it's lovely here when it's sunny. Benny, they love a good rip-off, don't they? The Friends Beach Cafeteria, but with the actual Friends logo. Only in Benidorm. So anyone who's watching, have you stayed down this end of Benidorm before? What's it like? Is it a lot quieter? Was it harder to sort of mix in? I think this is a bit more of a sort of a local's end, really. Don't blame them. I wouldn't want to be up near the strip if I was there, if I lived there. So let me know, what was it like? Where did you stay? What was it, was it competitive pricing? Was the food good? I think Nikki would love being down there and trying all the sort of the paella and the fish and the tapas and stuff. so we're gonna head back towards the old town now. But a little stroll. You know, it feels a nicer day. This is a really nice area to little walk. It's quiet. It's, you know, it's not loud and gnarly. You're not stags and hens, and you're not being offered drugs and all sorts whilst you're trying to walk. So definitely worth a little stroll down there, let's say. But now we're off to go and try and find some tapas and see what we can find. Sadly, with all the inclement weather, we've corded off the play bit, which is fine. I'm not going to go in there in the rain, but also all the pigeons at the top, so everyone's having to walk alongside the sort of the main road. Yeah, there's a cycle path. Do you want to cross over, or do you want to? We've got to push through the crowds, but you can tell that it's not beach weather and it's not poolside weather because everyone and their dog is out, which, you know, including us. But ironically, there was one shop in the old town that we wanted to go in, and it shut. But it is technically, I think, a Spanish holiday, or was yesterday, and they're carrying it over 2 days. So probably that. And all the supermarkets are shut as well. We need to pick up some snacks for the kids, and nope, all supermarkets shut. Hi Cheeky, Arif Jade. Got a little hoodlum. Oh my god. You're crazy. Oh, put it back. She was having fun. There we go. So we're in the tapas square-y thing. Not the alley. Don't go to the alley. We tried a couple of the other places, and unfortunately, like, their choice was a little bit like reduced. I don't know if it's just because we got here like 1 o'clock, so a bit after lunch. So Old Faithful, we come back to the Zodiac house. But as you can see, it is round, so that's fine. We're gonna wait for them to find a table. So we've caught their attention. They're gonna find a table for us. So we'll get in when we get in. Worth the wait. Right, we're in. Took about 5-10 minutes to get a table, but we've been. So we've gone for this time. We've gone for the 6 tapas and the jug of sangria, and it's €10. So let's have a look. Xander's got prawns. Are they prawns? Yeah, I don't do seafood. My seafood is I see it, I eat it, but not that kind of seafood. But can't go wrong. So we've got 1 paella, calamari, 2 pizzas because I don't do fish, and a zucchini with cheese. So yeah, let's tuck in. Right, so we've left Zodiac house. We looked in the other one, so we were going to try something else, but in the end the selection was just better in the Zodiac house. Doesn't necessarily mean that the food is better, but the selection was better. I guess in different times of day they got different things coming out of the kitchen, so you know, wouldn't be afraid to go back and try one of the other ones in January. So I'm sure we're going to try some more, but for now we just wanted a light snack, and there wasn't much there for Arif. And I'd rather Nikki and Xander had more of the fishy things that they wanted to try. So, to compensate, we are going to head to Ray's Chippy. Just try and get a portion of chips for me, Arif, Xander, Nikki, whoever wants any. But mainly for Arif. So we're going to head over to Ray's now, which is not far. It's just around the corner-ish in the old town. So we're going to head over there now and try and get some chips. So inside Ray's, they've got a price evolution of all the different things over the years. So have a look. So you've got, let's take a cod. So 99. Piece of cod 337. Up to 2022 before the pandemic 630. Large cod was 457, then 850. But crazy. This is awesome. I love this. Shit. If you come in here, definitely take a look at all the different prices and how they've changed through the years. Right, got the chippies, so we're gonna maybe see if there's somewhere to sit, but it's all going to be wet probably, so probably not, might just be a stand around and eat the chips. But so let's take a little look.